friends, to service your rear shock, you don't necessarily need to remove the wheel. I have it off for the purpose of the video though. You can continue on by spraying down these nuts here. You've got one there, then you're going to have one up top. Now that we have this sprayed, let's go ahead and try removing this nut right here with a 21. We're going to hold the bolt side with a 21 as well. There we are. So now for our upper bolt, if you were to look behind this black plastic, which I'll just kind of get out of the way, has a couple screws, you're going to be able to see the top of the bolt right there. And then if you were to reach around the back side of the frame, you'll be able to get your wrench on the nut side. Let's go ahead and remove that bolt as well. Socket with extension here. There's our nut. Grab onto the shock, wiggle it around as you remove the bolt. Now I should be able to pull it down. There it is, friends. The next thing we need to do is charge our shock. What I mean by that is to go ahead and compress it and let it come back up 3 to 5 times. The next thing we want to do is make sure that our bolt threads are nice and cleaned up, and I like to put a tiny bit of red thread locker. With that said, let's go ahead and take our shock and put it up into the area where it belongs. Start our bolt through there. Start on that nut as well. Let's do the same to the lower. Now that we have them both started, let's snug them up and then we'll torque them to 100 foot-pounds. If you remove the plastic piece here, obviously go ahead and put it back on. And if you remove the wheel, put that back on and then torque it to 130 foot-pounds.